This comprehensive document serves as the executive blueprint for creators and strategists seeking to execute a deliberate transition away from low-yield, volume-based affiliate models and toward high-margin, high-ticket affiliate marketing (HTAM). The strategic imperative of this framework is to focus relentlessly on targeting software-as-a-service SaaS platforms, specialized online courses with high certification value, and lucrative financial services to generate not only immediate, substantial, large one-time commissions, but also stable, escalating, and highly dependable recurring revenue. The entire operational strategy is built on the core principle of establishing niche authority and executing value engineering in content delivery, thereby attracting only the most sophisticated, high-intent bidder who is prepared for premium financial commitments. Module 1. The High-Value Niche and Program Selection Protocol. Success in the domain of high-ticket affiliate marketing is fundamentally contingent upon a non-negotiable protocol for niche selection and program vetting. You must establish a strategic dominance within a focused microsegment of the market where potential customers are already accustomed to premium pricing, and where the promoted products or services provide definitive solutions to critical business or financial problems that carry significant monetary value. Hyper-profitable niche cartography and audience profiling. We enforce an absolute doctrine requiring the selection of niches that demonstrate high intrinsic customer lifetime value (CLV). This means prioritizing industries where the significant cost of the product is fully justified by the massive, quantifiable return on investment (ROI) it delivers to the bidder. This strategic approach mandates a precise focus on target sectors, which includes the prioritization of business-to-business software-as-a-service platforms such as specialized customer relationship management systems, advanced marketing automation tools, or high-reliability enterprise hosting solutions. High-end financial tools, including sophisticated Forex and cryptocurrency trading platforms, or bespoke investment advisories, and certification-level online courses, such as intensive coding boot camps, executive leadership programs, or specialized data science masters. Furthermore, our audience segmentation must recognize that the primary audience is not inherently price-sensitive, but is critically value-sensitive, requiring content that speaks directly to their high-ticket budget comfort and their need for maximized productivity, rigorous compliance, or accelerated wealth generation. This strategy is underpinned by the authority mandate, which dictates that you must choose a niche where you can credibly and verifiably build authority, ensuring your content is consistently educational, highly detailed, and technically accurate, thereby establishing your brand as a trusted expert resource rather than merely a promotional vehicle. Recurring commission and program vetting protocol. We rigorously isolate affiliate programs that offer demonstrably superior financial structures, specifically focusing on generating recurring revenue, which is typical for subscription products and software-as-a-service solutions, or providing substantial large bounty payouts, which are common in financial services or complex one-time high-end software sales. This rigorous process includes comprehensive recurring commission analysis, where programs that offer a sustainable percentage, typically 20% to 50%, of the lifetime recurring commission, for instance programs from reputable platforms like HubSpot, ActiveCampaign, or Thinkific, are automatically prioritized over less valuable one-time commission structures, ensuring that a single conversion generates continuous passive income for the entire customer lifecycle and builds robust, predictable residual income streams. For single payment programs, our high bounty vetting demands that we look for a minimum financial commitment from the merchant ranging from $150 to $500 plus a fixed payout per confirmed conversion. Finally, we must complete thorough program due diligence, mandating an exhaustive check of the merchant's professional reputation, their reliable payment frequency, the generosity of the cookie duration, where a minimum of 30 to 90 days is absolutely essential to accommodate the inherently long and complex high-ticket sales cycle, and guaranteed access to professional dedicated affiliate managers who can readily provide co-marketing and integration resources. Module 2. The Value Engineering Content and Conversion Architecture. The nature of high-ticket sales is fundamentally consultative, demanding a shift in content strategy. Your promotional materials must evolve beyond rudimentary product reviews to become a sophisticated consultative selling tool that not only unequivocally justifies the often high premium price point, but also proactively addresses the high-value beer's inherent high cognitive load and professional skepticism with detailed information, consultative content architecture, and financial justification. Your content strategy must demonstrate unparalleled expert-level product knowledge and must rigorously quantify the definitive financial benefit delivered by the promoted product. For financial services and trading platforms, the content must intensely focus on regulatory compliance reviews, demonstrable strategies for professional risk management, and the presentation of verifiable, quantified performance metrics. The resulting content should be meticulously structured as an impartial, professional due diligence report, never a simple promotional pitch, for instance, a detailed, expert analysis of the tax and compliance implications of crypto trading platform X. When promoting software as a service and complex software, you must create detailed in-depth implementation tutorials, specialized workflow automation blueprints, and granular comparative ROI analysis. For instance, a verifiable demonstration of how Product X saves 100 man-hours per month for an enterprise team's operations. The content's singular and mandatory purpose is to prove the product's essential, non-optional nature to the beer's critical business operation. For online courses and specialized education, you must showcase verifiable, real-world student success stories. Meticulously detail the curriculum's market value, for instance, citing the average salary increase achieved by graduates post-certification, and offer a transparent, comprehensive module-by-module breakdown of the advanced skills gained. Conversion funnel for high-intent buyers and lead nurturing. Acknowledging that a single piece of promotional content rarely possesses the necessary weight to close a complex, high-ticket sale, you must engineer a dedicated, segmented, and automated conversion pathway. This starts with segmentation, where you must utilize sophisticated email marketing automation to accurately divide your traffic based on their depth of engagement and clear purchase intent, for instance. Separating leads who downloaded the SaaS ROI guide from those who merely viewed a general blog post. The next critical step is deploying effective lead magnets, offering only high-value lead magnets that are recognized as necessary prerequisites to the final high-ticket purchase. For instance, a complex financial services risk calculator or a comprehensive SaaS implementation checklist and audit. This strategic move reliably captures and pre-qualifies the high-intent lead by demanding a commitment of time or data. Finally, you must ethically deploy ethical scarcity and anchoring to justify the premium price by strategically deploying price anchoring techniques, rigorously comparing the product price to the equivalent high cost of hiring an expert consultant or a competitor's more expensive enterprise tier. This also includes the use of ethical scarcity tactics, for example, offering limited-time bonuses or exclusive tiered access to your own specialized, supplemental support tools. Module 3, Scaling, Negotiation, and the Financial Sovereignty Protocol. This conclusive and vital module is entirely dedicated to maximizing the intrinsic value derived from every single established affiliate relationship and establishing long-term, unassailable financial security through the growth of predictable, robust recurring revenue streams. Advanced commission negotiation strategy and deal structuring once you have successfully achieved and established verified track record of high-quality conversions that are well below the merchant's average refund rate, you must immediately initiate negotiations to secure superior payout terms. Your greatest leverage in any professional negotiation remains your high conversion rate and the verifiable quality of traffic you consistently deliver, not merely raw traffic volume. You must be prepared to present irrefutable data on the consistently low refund rate and the high predicted customer lifetime value of your referred customers. Your negotiation strategy should include a demand for sophisticated tiered commission structures, for instance, a higher percentage achieved after a specific monthly sales volume milestone is met, or a significantly extended cookie duration to accommodate the inherently prolonged and complex sales cycles of high-ticket services. Furthermore, you must proactively push for co-branding opportunities, which include co-branded marketing resources, exclusive and non-transferable discount codes tailored specifically for your dedicated audience, or prominent direct mention on the merchant's official partner page, all of which significantly enhance your niche authority and increase your overall brand equity. Financial sovereignty through recurring revenue and optimization. The ultimate, systemic goal of this entire framework is the construction of a predictable, automated revenue stream that operates and scales independently of your daily, moment-to-moment efforts. To achieve this, you must engage in predictive income modeling, utilizing specialized financial software to accurately model your total monthly recurring revenue (MRR) and annual recurring revenue (ARR), based on historical customer churn rates and verifiable new sign-up rates. You must strategically treat your entire affiliate income portfolio as a collection of high-yield digital assets, with each program being classified as a separate, actively managed investment designed for long-term growth. Finally, the achievement of true financial sovereignty mandates immediate attention to tax optimization and fiscal compliance, requiring you to consult with a qualified financial professional to correctly classify and rigorously optimize the complex tax implications of both your recurring digital income and all large one-time commissions, ensuring maximum fiscal efficiency and profit retention while maintaining absolute legal compliance across all operational territories.